Do you want to unblock someone from Twitter X? You can unblock people on X account with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unblock someone on Twitter X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. From the menu, tap on Settings and Support. Now, from the expanded menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. A new screen will open with different options. From here, find and tap on Privacy and Safety. Again, a new screen will open with different options. From here, tap on Mute and Block. On the new screen, find and tap on Blocked Accounts. Here, you will see a list of all blocked users. Find the account you want to unblock and tap on the Blocked button next to their name. A confirmation pop-up will appear. From here, select the Unblock option. The account will be unblocked instantly, and they will be able to follow and interact with you again.